So my name is Sharon Huws. I'm a professor in animal science and microbiology in Queen's University Belfast, and I'm also a member of the Institute for Global Food Security. So I work on sustainable agricultural systems and improving productivity in ruminants, and in particular reducing their environmental impact, so the methane they produce. So this research takes place here in this building in Queen's University in terms of more fundamental science. So we tend to look at things in vitro, for example. What I mean by that is within the lab. So we would set up experiments, for example, using very simple technology like these Hungate tubes in order to assess the effects of different compounds for reducing methane emissions. So we would add them to these tubes and then see whether we're reducing methane, for example. So this is the simplest technology, and it maintains, that anaerobic environment, because the microbes that we're looking at are very anaerobic. Or when we scale up, we go to these ANCOM systems here. So these I just allow you to scale up a little bit and monitor the gas that's coming off and monitor methane. So in this example within here now, we've got some seaweed in there. So this is part of an AeroNet project where we're looking at local seaweed. So we would add, rumen fluid on top of that so it mimics the animal. But we also have another scale-up system which is called the Rusitech as well. It's very dependent on how much material we have and what stage the technology is at as to which system we choose. This research is going to have a major impact in terms of our need to reduce climate change. The fact that we have signed the Paris Agreement, etc. This research has never been so important as it is now. We can do so much in the laboratory. We can take things to a certain level. We know that maybe that particular seaweed will help, but ultimately we have to do that within the animal, and we do that with our colleagues in AFBI. So it takes advantage of the fundamental capacity that we have here to the more strategic capacity within AFBI. And also the really key critical thing is that direct route to government and to policy is really very unique relationship.